Helping Hands. Helping Hands is all about a story of a fairy who helps everybody. Let's see what it is. Yes. The fairy queen called all the fairies of fairyland to her palace garden. Then she announced for a big competition. Many fairies were dressed awesomely. They dressed themselves with nice gowns, nice bands, and many more accessories. They all had come to the queen's party, just like you go to your friend's party. The way you go to your friend's party, all other fairies went to a big party which was arranged by the fairy queen. There she announced for a big competition, saying, "You can exhibit your skills. Whatever skill you have, you can show. I will give a big throne and a nice crown to the winner. After 1 year," the fairy said, "after 1 year, I will announce the winner. You should show your talent in all the possible ways, in whichever way you are best." Okay, all other fairies started working on it. So all were excited. See, when I announce one competition, you all are excited, right? The same way fairies were all excited. All started collecting leaves. Few fairies started doing magic with stars, creating galaxies. And one fairy started creating rainbow. And others started creating flowers, butterflies, beautiful pictures. Only one fairy was sad. She was the youngest of all. Her name is Rubin. What is her name, children? Rubin. She was really very sad because she doesn't know any of the magic. She cannot create stars. She cannot create rainbows, butterflies. Though her mom tried many ways, but she could never do any magic. One day her mother said, "Never mind, Rubin." Her mother said, "Never mind, Rubin. You can create magic with your hands by helping others. You keep helping others who are in need." Then Rubin started helping others. How? She came to earth. Then she saw many kids are hungry and they want food. Then Rubin started giving food to the animals who are hungry and the children who are hungry there. And Rubin started helping everybody around on the earth, whoever in need of help. Some people are hungry, some people are sick. So for some people, for the sick people, she nursed them, she gave medicines, she helped them. And for others, she helped with food. And for old people who could not walk, she made them walk. She helped them in walking. So the old people were also very thankful to the Rubin. Then she recollected, "Oh, it's time to go back to my fairyland. It's almost 1 year, and let me go back and see who is the winner. Then she came back to the fairyland. Then she saw the queen announcing the results. She announced the results with a beautiful shawl which was woven by a beautiful fairy that was woven with silver linings, with nice fragrance of pink flowers, petals, and with green soft leaves. Then she made a big other announcement also for the Reuben. She announced Reuben is a very hard-working young fairy who has noble personality. Then she awarded Reuben with a golden crown. She placed the crown on Reuben's head, declared, "Indeed, Reuben has wonderful talent and magic in her helping hands. Helping those in need is always rewarded, children." Okay? Now do this. True or false? After the story, do true or false. Reuben, the fairy queen, wanted to test the talents of the fairies. True or false? True. The fairies took the colors from the rainbow. Reuben the fairy was very good at making beautiful things. Reuben went to earth and helped the poor children. Reuben was given a silver crown. Go through the story and do this, children. Thank you.